Good morning from Master Trist and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 26th of August 2025. The US Dow Jones decreased 0.77%, settling the day at 45,282.47, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 21,449.29, decreasing 0.22%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 42,379 and Hang Seng is trading at 25,714. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,929, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. FII sold 2,466.24 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 3,176.69 crore in the last trading session. Fitch affirms India's sovereign rating at BBB on robust growth, solid external finances. Adani Group eyes majority stake in Sri Digvijay Cement. Now talking about global aspects, Trump fires Fed Governor Lisa Cook over mortgage allegations. Oil prices rise as Russia-Ukraine war threatens supply disruption. WTI rose 1.79% to $64.80 a barrel, and Brent rose 1.58% to $68.80 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 98.16. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.33%, up. Here is a recap of Monday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices rebounded strongly, erasing previous session losses, supported by positive global cues. The rally followed an upbeat session on Wall Street after Fed Chair Jerome Powell, in his Jackson Hole address, hinted at a potential rate cut in September, boosting investor sentiment. Outlook for today: Nifty rebounded strongly, erasing previous session losses, closing above the 21-day and 55-day EMAs, signaling continued positive sentiment. The index closed near the 25,000 mark, indicating the near-term trend bullish. As long as the 24,800 level holds, a buy-on-dip strategy remains favorable. On the upside, immediate resistance lies at 25,100. A decisive breakout above this could open the path toward 25,300 in the coming sessions. Bank Nifty ended flat, facing persistent selling pressure at higher levels. As long as it trades below the 55,400 resistance zone and its 21-day and 55-day EMAs, the trend remains weak. Strong support lies at 54,800 to 54,700. A breach below could lead to a fall towards 54,300. On the upside, a breakout above 55,400 may trigger a rally to 56,100. The current setup supports a sell-on-rise strategy for traders. Stocks on the radar: bullish view, HCL Tech, HDFC AMC, 361, KIMS, Lupin. Bearish view, RBL Bank, Colpal, Dabur, Voltas, Can Fin Homes. Trade of the day is bullish on Zydus Life, buy at 1023, stop loss 1000. Target 1075. Rationale: bullish breakout. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purposes. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.